Hello, this is Irina, and today we are going to practice listening. This mini story is good for learners of English whose level is A2, B1. Okay, let's start. A mini detective story, The Mysterious Case of Whiskers, the cat. A mysterious letter. Once upon a time, in a small town called Sunnyvale, there lived a young detective named Emma. Emma was known for her sharp mind and keen observation skills. One sunny morning, she received a mysterious letter at her doorstep. The letter read, "Dear Detective Emma, I need your help. My cat, Whiskers, has gone missing. I have searched everywhere, but I can't find him. Please come to my house and let's solve this case together. Yours sincerely, Lily." Finding clues. Emma couldn't resist a good mystery, so she quickly put on her detective hat and headed to Lily's house. When she arrived, Lily greeted her with a worried look on her face. "Thank you for coming, Detective Emma," Lily said. "Whiskers is usually very playful and never wanders off. I'm really worried about him." "Don't worry, Lily. We'll find Whiskers," reassured Emma. "Let's start by gathering some clues." Emma and Lily searched Whiskers' favorite hiding spots, but there was no sign of the cat. Suddenly, Emma noticed some paw prints leading to the back of the house. She followed them and they led to a small shed in the backyard. Picnic basket. As they entered the shed, Emma saw a strange object on the ground, a torn piece of a map. It seemed to be the clue left by the clever cat napper. Emma pieced the torn map together and realized it was a treasure map. "I think Whiskers has gone on an adventure," exclaimed Emma. "Let's follow this map and find him." They followed the map to a nearby park. As they walked deeper into the park, they stumbled upon another clue, a red ribbon tied to a tree branch. Emma knew that Whiskers loved playing with ribbons, so she was onto something. Following the ribbon, they reached a clearing where they saw Whiskers sitting next to a picnic basket. Emma and Lily were relieved to find Whiskers safe and sound. "Whiskers, you little adventurer!" exclaimed Lily, hugging her beloved cat. Emma noticed that the picnic basket had some treats and a note inside. The note read, "Dear Lily, I thought Whiskers might enjoy a little outdoor adventure. I hope you had fun following the clues and finding him. I'm sorry if I worried you. Whiskers is a clever cat, and I knew he would lead you on an exciting chase. Yours playfully, Mystery Friend." Emma smiled, realizing that the mysterious kidnapper was none other than a friend who wanted to create a fun experience for Lily and Whiskers. With the mystery solved, Emma and Lily returned home, grateful for the adventure they had shared. From that day forward, Detective Emma and Whiskers the cat became good friends, always ready for their next exciting case together. And so the small town of Sunnyvale knew that whenever they needed help, Detective Emma would be there to unravel the mysteries and bring smiles to everyone's faces. The end.